Hey, it's Claims Coach Chris. Tropical Storm Arthur is bringing heavy rain to the Texas Gulf Coast. And right now, before anything happens, is exactly the right time to protect your home and your family. First, document everything. Walk your house right now. Take clear photos and videos of every room, your roof, your valuables. This is your proof before damage ever touches your property. You cannot go back and do this after. Second, clear your gutters and downspouts so water flows away from your foundation. Secure anything loose in the yard. Small steps right now can make a big difference in what you're dealing with Thursday morning. Please check your flood policy today if you're in a flood zone. Standard homeowners insurance does not cover flooding. Quick note, I'm not an insurance adjuster or public adjuster. I'm sharing 25 years of experience helping homeowners through exactly these situations. Always verify the details with your own insurance company. That's one of the things I've seen catch families completely off guard after a storm like this. Do these steps now, and you are ahead of the game. Drop your biggest worry in the comments. I read everyone, hit subscribe, and please stay safe out there.